Introduce you to Philbin. He is a understuffed gun bear, and he is so soft and plushable. Look how soft he is. And he would make a great gift for your Valentine sweetie, or maybe you have a newborn in the house or a young child that just loves teddy bears. Now, these bears have been around since the 1800s, I swear. This company has been making them for as long as I can possibly remember. And he's got his footprints, which are just so super cute. And they do come in different sizes, and I do believe, but this is Philbin, and he is their latest edition. And I just think anybody that would get this as a gift would fall in love with it the minute they see it. And that's just my honest opinion.
If you liked this video and found it helpful, how about helping this old grandma YouTuber out and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up? I'd really appreciate it.